So we'll go ahead and continue with order of operations. And this is just a continuation of what we've done before. And one of the things we didn't really go over though that much is we had parentheses. That's one of the first things we do. If you remember, it was parentheses, exponents, multiply or divide, and then add or subtract. That's the order that we do things. We have parentheses, brackets, and then there was braces. Braces, remember you made an S and then a 2. And over here you would make a 2 and then an S. And what you do is you do everything inside the parentheses first, and then you can do everything inside the brackets, and then you can do everything inside the braces. But first, do the parentheses. We'll do 7 examples. Here's our first one. Okay, I'm going to move left to right. Let's see, there's no parentheses, there's no exponents, there's no multiply, there's division. I'll do this one first. 18 divided by 3, that's 6. Bring the rest down. So I'll bring down the 45, minus, and divide by 3. Next, I'm going to do division before any subtraction. 6 divided by 3. That's 2. Bring down your 45 and your minus. 45 minus 2. This is problem number 2. Problem number 2 starts off with a 2. Here's your brackets. Then we have parentheses. That's a minus. Okay, we're going to first start with the inside the parentheses. 4 minus 2, that's 2. Now I'm going to bring everything else down. So I have my 3 times, bring down your brackets, and then your 2. Okay, so we did parentheses. Now I need to do inside the brackets. Well, 3 times 2. That's 6. 3 times 2 is 6. Bring the rest of it down. I'll bring my 2 down, and I'll bring the plus 4 down. I'm going to multiply before I do any adding. 2 times 6, that's 12. Bring down the plus 4. 12 plus 4 is 16. Number 3, we have 2 sets of parentheses, 2 quantities. This is the quantity of 18 divided by 2. This is the quantity of 2 times 3. First step is do inside the parentheses 18 divided by 2. That is 9. Then I have 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down our minus. 9 minus 6. Number 4, we have 48 divided by, now that we have brackets and we have parentheses. Okay, let's start. Again, we're going to start for the inside the parentheses first. 7 minus 3, I'm sorry, 7 minus 4, that is 3. And I'm going to bring the rest of the stuff down. So there's a 3 in front of it. There is a brackets here. So I'm bringing everything else down. And it's divided by 48. Or 48 divided by that. Okay, so now I'm going to work inside the brackets. And I have a times and a plus. I'm going to do the times first. 3 times... Oops, why did I put a 3 right there? Hello. Excuse me. That's 3 times... That's a 3. So 3 times 3, that is 9. And I'm going to bring the rest of the stuff down. I'm kind of doing the long way here. So this is all 9. And then divided by 48. Next inside there I have 3 plus 9. 3 plus 9 is 12. And then divide by 48. So 48 divided by 12. 12 goes to 48 4 times. One thing I like to do with my notes and on any papers, I like to separate the problems. That way I don't get mixed up. Number 5, we have quantity. 12 divided by 3 minus 1 plus 7. All of that divided by 2. So we're going to work inside this parentheses first. Let's see, I have division. That comes before any adding or subtracting. So 12 divided by 3, that's 4. And I'll bring the rest of it down. Then I'm just going to go left to right. 4 minus 1, that's 3. And I'll bring the rest of it down. This is all 3. And 3 plus 7, that's 10. 10 divided by 2. And 2 goes into 10. 5 times. Now I realize that you can do some of these steps in your head, and that's fine. You can shorten this up to maybe just 2 steps, because a lot of it you can do in your head. But you need to show steps, and you need to circle your answer down below. Again, please try to show your steps going down, not to the side of the paper.